Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can see Spotify Wrapped 2020 or 2010-20, however you want to call it, which is basically what you've listened to in 2020. So what you need to do is go on to spotify.com, just like I'm going to, and once you've done this, your page should look like this. And once you scroll down a bit, you can see 2020 Wrapped. See how you listened, and then just explore your Wrapped. For this, you need to be logged into Spotify and into your account. And from here, you can just see Spotify Wrapped 2020. Uh, Top artists 2020, top songs 2020, top tracks 2020, top artists, top female artists, top male artists, top groups, top podcasts, best of 2020, a look back at 2020, and many more than that. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. This is how you can see 2020 wrapped. Just visit spotify.com. See you in the next video, guys. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.